Hey everybody. Well, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and the sun just appeared and it shot up to 50 degrees. It's going to be down to 33 degrees tonight, so I am going to race down to the co-op, which has row cover cloth, and try to get some things protected and some other things brought into the garage to make it through this cold snap. So I hope you stay with me. I just got a storm shield alert. It says a freeze watch for current location is in effect until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, this is the first one. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I got row cover cloth and now the race is on. We got about 2 hours to make a difference. Okay, so the other day, I went and got a bunch of stuff, and it's still in the truck. So, as you can see, I got a bunch of this compost. It's not too expensive. It says it's organic, so it's composted organic hummus. So, I've got, let's see, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think I got 15 bags in there. And between that and this, topped off with the leaves, that's the plan for the raised beds. And since we only have like 2 hours before it's going to be really cold, start getting really cold, I'm going to do a quick harvest of dried beans over there. I'm going to put something over the cool season veg over here. And then everything that I can, I'm going to move into the garage. So here we go. This is going to have to wait for the weekend though, when I have some help. I picked up some of these 7-quart pots for whatever I want to dig up and try to keep these peppers maybe one of the blue spice basil, which looks so good. I know it's not gonna survive a hard freeze. So, and I don't know if 32 degrees is a hard freeze. That might just be a light freeze. I don't know. Anyway, let's get some peppers into these pots. I started way too late in the day to try to get all this done because I thought the clouds were going to stay away from the sun. It's cold and I'm going to keep working on it a little bit, but this was the Cardinal Climber, one of the most beautiful hands down things in the garden this summer, and I wanted to be able to see what the condition of the peppers were underneath it. You couldn't even see, so I let it get out of hand because it was so beautiful. But if I grow it again, I'm going to grow it in a designated place where it's not on top of something else. tiger. Find tiger. It just occurred to me that I want to have a fire tonight, and I need to get some firewood in. I'm just putting one of these cloths out. I'm testing it tonight. We're going to have 3 straight nights. Tonight's 33. Tomorrow is 30, I think. So we'll see if this thing stays on, just pinned down a little bit like that. Look at that African blue basil. Wow, that's amazing. So pretty. It's just gorgeous the way it grew. It kind of fell over, but in a round circle. And it didn't all just go one way, which is nice. Now that's an expensive tarp over there. I do hope they don't trash it out. Okay, here's the back side of that, and you can see how the basil grew out of the raised bed. Kind of hard to cover that up, so we'll see what happens. Got a lot of weeds in the blueberry patch. Gonna be working on that on Saturday. I really hate to waste this one because look at all those blooms and peppers. There's 4 peppers on that. I think we better grab that one. You guys just lazing around up there? I really hate for my hibiscus to go through a freeze. I have not harvested the calyxes. But look at that artichoke. That's the best it's looked all year. Now, what have you been running off doing anyway? You want to smell my juice? Want some? No? Okay. Did you hear that? It sounded almost like a gunshot. That is a walnut hitting the roof of my shop. I know, baby. I know. I know. You know, you never get as much done as you think you're going to get done. That's just one of the rules of gardening. You've never, I don't care what age you are, or, you know, you always have more ambition and plans than you can accomplish because things come up. That row cover cloth is made in the United States, which I'm happy to say, and I got 2 of them. They come in 10 by 20, and 2 was all they had. So we'll see how everything does. You know, I've got 3 days to see how much damage 3 nights of 30 to 33 degree weather does to the garden. It's a beautiful, beautiful time of day. This has been happening a lot. It's just cloudy all morning. Hi, come here. Oh, he's such a sweetheart. Would you like to know how he got his name? Spot. I was very quickly trying to name them and distinguish when they were kittens. And he and his sister Patch look very much alike, but she's got a little bit of a black eye, so I called her Patch and him Spot. But their coat has gotten so fluffy since it's gotten colder. Anyway, thanks so much for spending this time with me, and if you're starting over like me, I hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll subscribe regardless, whatever your station in life. I hope to entertain and inspire and educate everyone who comes to my channel, so please share with your friends and help this channel grow. It means a lot and helps YouTube algorithms if you like it, share it, leave a comment, and of course subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all, so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. You won't necessarily be notified just because you hit the bell, so make sure you hit that all. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.